Good morning. I'll take you through the key global cues today. Well, the stocks in Asia climbed early Friday after strong economic data helped to send US shares to a record and bolster the dollar. Oil held gains amidst a dispute in the OPEC Plus alliance. The US dollar index, in fact, did hit nearly around 92 levels in trade. The Australian markets were up 0.5% and Kospi was up just around 0.2%. Nikkei was up a similar level of nearly around 0.2% in trade. Speaking about the stocks in US, the S&P 500 reached its sixth consecutive all-time closing high on Thursday, backed by a broad-based rally and upbeat economic data. All the three major US stock indices ended the session in positive territory, but a decline in tech shares led by microchips tempered the overall gains on the Nasdaq. Data showed solid US manufacturing growth and the larger than expected drop in jobless claims, overshadowing concerns about the spread of the COVID-19 Delta strain. Investors now eye Friday's much anticipated employment report. The yield on the 10-year Treasuries was little changed at 1.5%. Dow was up 0.4% in trade at 34,634, while the S&P was up 0.5%. Nasdaq was up just around 0.13% in trade. Speaking about the European markets, well, the European shares ended higher on Thursday as a rally in crude prices saw energy stocks surge more than 2%. Travel-related stocks jumped 1.9% after falling for 4 days in a row on fears of more restrictions following a spike in the number of COVID-19 cases in Asia and the United Kingdom. Figures on Thursday confirmed the Eurozone manufacturing sector expanded last month at its fastest pace on record. DAX was up 0.5%, while CAC was up 0.7%. FTSE was up close to around 1.3% in trade. Speaking about the oil markets, well, yes, the oil prices have been in focus. The WTI crude has risen 2% to nearly around $75 a barrel. Oil is trading nearly $75 a barrel after the OPEC Plus alliance descended into infighting, casting doubt on an agreement that could ease a surge in prices. And meanwhile, we also need to be mindful of how the new COVID-19 Delta variant may impact demand and hence the impact on crude prices. Gold futures did rise 0.3% to $1,776 an ounce. Thank you for watching.